Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 22. So without wasting any more of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Molecules that allow electron transport to continue but dissipate the hydrogen gradient. Uncouplers. What processes of cellular respiration cannot take place if fermentation occurs? Electron transport and citric acid cycle. What causes fermentation? Lack of oxygen. During fermentation, what is pyruvate converted to instead of acetyl-CoA? Lactate or ethanol? Duplicate copies of DNA that are attached at the centromere and distributed to daughter cells. Sister chromatids. In alteration of generations, what is the diploid stage of a plant that follows fertilization called? Sporophyte. What number and types of chromosomes are found in human somatic cell? 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. Carry information for the same trait. Meiosis 2 is similar to mitosis in that sister chromatids separate during anaphase. In a typical animal, mitosis produces dash, while meiosis produces two diploid daughter cells. Meiosis produces 4 haploid daughter cells. Which of the following processes has just occurred when chiasmata can first be viewed under the microscope? Prophase 1. How do cells at the completion of meiosis compare with the cells that are in prophase of meiosis 1? The cell have half the number of chromosomes and 1/4 the amount of DNA. Homologous chromosomes are aligned in the middle of the spindle in metaphase 1. For a species with a haploid number of 23 chromosomes, how many different combinations of maternal and paternal chromosomes are possible for the gametes based on the independent assortment of chromosomes during meiosis? About 8 million. During which phase of meiosis do centromeres split and sister chromatids migrate to opposite poles of the cell? Anaphase 2. This cell must be undergoing dash because the two dash are associated with each other at the metaphase plate. Also, chiasmata are clearly present, meaning that dash has occurred. Meiosis, homologous chromosomes, and crossing over. A tree can send out underground stems for asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is known as common, but when it does happen, the haploid gametes have 19 chromosomes. How many chromosomes are in the cell of the underground stem? 38. Two different species of protists living in a tide pool. Species A reproduces both sexually and asexually, and species B reproduce only asexually. The pool gradually becomes infested with disease-causing viruses. Which species are more likely to survive in the changing environment? Species A only. The exchange of homologous portions of non-sister chromatids. Crossing over. The life cycle of a cell from one cell division to the next. Cell cycle. The molecules that carries the genetic information of a cell. DNA. Cell division in eukaryote that produces two new nuclei, which each have the same number of chromosomes as the original cell. Mitosis. Hello friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 22. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.